What's up mga Karipaps? So pupunta tayo ngayon, naimbitahan tayo sa birthday party. So paalis na kami sa bahay. So I see you there. Karipaps, ang daming pagkain. Yan mga Karipaps, ubos ng pagkain natin. Wala nang mapaglagyan. Ninya, what is that?
Carrots.
Carrots with
Ranch.
huh?
Ranch.
Ranch. You like that one?
Yeah.
Are you a rabbit?
No. You look like a rabbit, so be quiet.
What is that?
Where is that? What's that?
Is that Obi? Ubi? Ubi cake? It's good?
Yes.
Good.
It's gonna try yourself.
Of course. Thank you, Bill.
Doy, shout out ni Daddy Cesar.
Akong gilahi ang kuan.
Shout out kay Daddy Cesar.
Tambo kay kung naon feeling bell. Halaya akong gamit. Halaya akong gamit sa kuan sa kanang feeling.
Nami diri karon sa
Nakalimtan na
Alabama di nag birthday sa
ube.
Doy.
Halaya.
Kisay birthday doy ang kang granny de. So nami diri karon na lucky party. Elise, what are you doing there? You watching the alligator? Ito yung lake nila dito, mga Karipaps, ang laki. So, hindi ka lang bawal dyan maligo kasi mayroon dyan alligator. Yung mayroon siguro mga tilapia dyan mga Karipaps. Ganda ng lugar. Yun no. Di! Wala kami ngawa dire di. Nami karon dire sa ilang doy kay nagkuha mi og kuan, nagkuha mi og tugo box para sa namay uban nga daghang kay sudan na sobra nya. Nay uban nga ganahan mag bring home. Balik niya mo dire de, pohon. Yun no. Ah, si Sophie di ay.
Hey! Yung busy. Sophie! Sophie, yung busy sa tiyan. Pero di kayo maklaro.
Di, unya lang rin. Tama. Ace. Hi, Ace. Hi, Ace. Easy. Wala. Yan mga Karipaps. Tingnan mo. Mayroon siyang sign dito. So, alligator.
She's got it. I love you. Thank y'all for coming. Yeah, I'll get her to see it.
Thank you.
You forbidden me to get in.
On the bottom's not washed. So what is this? You gave me nothing.
Where's Elise? Where's the fish?
No, other one.
Oh, you got a
The
fish.
bottom escaped. Cassie, there's nothing in here. You finished it.
You want that one?
What the heck? Why is this so good? Cassie, can you hold this, please? I'll be right back. Oh yeah, they caught fish at. Oh. Oh wait, no, the appetite.
Kelly, what is that?
Ethan, there's too many yellow jackets.
Huh?
Then come over here. Then come over here, Ashley. Come over here. There's no yellow jackets. Oh, I see some.
What's your name, buddy?
Two yellow jackets.
What's your name?
Bennett.
Bennett?
Goose. Whoa, what are those? Are those dragonflies?
Trying to get some rapi.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
Oh Lord.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, we still have all our fish though.
You good?
Are you okay, Cassie?
Yeah.
He's in a leg over there. Oh.
The fish survived.
Are you okay? You hurt?
Yes. What happened?
You hurt?
Yes, she fell.
Huh? You hurt?
Alright, Ethan. We still have all fish, and are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright.
Oh my god.
Ethan, we'll give a little more water for them.
Yeah, they need some more.
That big one likes to jump, so I'm not trying to make too much water. On the way home, we gotta get a lot of water.
Mga karipaps, tapos na kaming nakiparte. So, uwi na kami sa bahay ngayon. So, parang 30 minutes drive. So, girls having fun? No response.
Yeah.
Takot sa camera mga karipaps.
Yeah.
Alright mga karipaps.
Yeah.
Sabi ni Kuya Fred, Bamanus!